So hello guys, welcome you to again with my Python basic course. In today's video we are going to the module number 2. We are talked about in this video variable and data type and also basic input and output and string operations and numbers and arithmetic operations. So hello guys, here is the module number 2. In this module we are going to talk about variables and data type. So what is a variable? Variable is used to the save values. Like example, we take mention a variable as a name here, and I'm just give a name. So this name is going to save within this variable. So if we print this variable name, if we print this variable as a print, and I just give a variable name, and we just run this one, so you can see here it will print our name. So that's how this value going to save with this variable. So in Python, we don't need to mention the data types. So the name is now this is a string data type. So what is a string data type? String data type is so I just type and name. So this way you can see the which type, which data type is a name variable. So now here you can see it is a string data type. So what is a string data type? A string data type is anything you write within using this double quotation is saved as a string data type. So Leo is now a string data type. So just so I'm just give the name as string. And next, we are going to talk about the integer data type. So I just give a declare variable as a age and give the value to 28, and I will just commit as an integer. So what is the integer data type? So integer data type is any positive or negative number we using without decimal point is saved as a integer data type. If we check this age now, so we just type age here and just run it. So you can see here it is integer data type. So what happen if we type numbers with a decimal point? It will goes as a float data type. So example, we just declare the name variable as height. We just declare the variable as a height and just give the 6.7. So this is a float data type. What is a float data type? It is a data type which is given numbers with a decimal point. If you give any numbers with decimal point, it is a float data type. So now height is a float data type. So we can check it now. Height, and we just run it. So you can see here it is float data type. And I just clear my terminal. And so what is a Boolean data type? Boolean data type is whether it is true or false. If I give the value true or false, it is gonna be a Boolean data type. So I'm just asked, is admin is true? So I just pass this value to is admin. This is mean is admin is true. So this mean is Leo is a admin. It is true. So this value is going to save this one, and this variable declare as a Boolean variable. So I just run this one. So you can see here it is Boolean value. So they have many more data types like list, tuples, and dictionaries and arrays. I will talk all with upcoming videos, and keep touch with me. So that's all for variables and data type. This is a simple explanation about variables and data type. So you can, if you have any doubt about it, so you can just comment down below, and we are going to our next topic, which is basic input and output. So see you guys in the next topic. In this topic, we are going to talk about basic input and output. So what is a basic input? Whether you are building a project or program, you need to get the user input. You need to type a username to log in the system, right? For example, I just need to get username from the user. I just type username and I just use the keyword name called input. So, and I just give the test as enter your username. So this is how we get the input from users in Python. So we use the input keyword. So I just print this one, print username, and if I run this one, so you can I will clear this terminal. So if I run this one, you can see here it will ask my username. So I just type Cheetah, and you can see here it will print my username. So and also I want to ask age. Enter your age here. And I want to check which data type is age. So I just type age here, right? I just clear this one. And I run this one, you can see it will ask username, I just give the Cheetah, and your age, I just give the 28. So it will print your username as Cheetah and your age variable data type. So its data type is string. So when we are give the integer number, why it's convert as a string? That's because when we give any numbers within this input keyword, so it will automatically convert to the string value. So how we can change as a integer? So we just use integer there and open bracket and closing bracket. And this way we can, if we run this one now, 28, now you can see it is converting to the integer value. In this way you can convert string value to integer value. So we need to print this one with using f string. So I will give you string lesson. Our next lesson is string operations, and this lesson I will tell you the example of f string. So print f, and your username is, right, and open bracket, and you can pass the variable to this and just save and run this one. So here when you type your username and age, so here you can see your username is this. So using this f string format you can type, and also you can type in other way, not using f string. You can type this way. You just type this your username is, and you just use plus mark and just pass your variable and use this. So this is a two-way you can give the output to user in Python. So you can see your name is Cheetah, your username is Cheetah, right? I just use as a age here. I just clear my terminal and I run this one. So your username is, I give the username and I give the age. So you can see here your username is Cheetah, your age, yeah, your age, right? Your age is 28. So this way, this is the basic way you can get the input from the users and convert a string to an integer, and also give the output to the user. So that's all for this topic. If you have any problems and questions, comment down below. So we are going to our next topic, which is string and string operations. Guys, in this topic we are going to learn about string and string operations. So we are going to learn how we can define the string. So this way you can type the name, and within this double quotation mark, if you type anything, it will go as a string. So first we are going to see how you can join two strings together. So I'm just creating a form, which is we are learned it from previous topic, how we can get the user input. I'm just get full name. I'm just get a first name of a user. I just type input, enter your first name, and also I want to get the last name. So last name, enter your last name. So first name is like this. Yeah, like this. Okay. Now what we want to join these two names and print as a one. So I just type print, and I just using a string and pass. Just join these two strings using this using this operator. So I'm just type as a first name and also space and say last name. So we are using this operator to join two strings. So if we run this one now, so it will ask your first name. So I give my first name and the second name. So you can see it is joined with like one string, right? Right. What happens when we want to convert this value to uppercase, all value to uppercase? We can just pass this name to the variable, like we just type full name. This way you can pass this one to this variable. You learn in topic 1 how to assign a value to the variable, right? So print, and I want this full name as all letters as a capital. So I just pass a upper. So I just run this one. So you just pass our names. So you can see it all letters are now uppercases, right? And you want to make it as lower cases, and also yeah, you can make as a lower cases also. Then you type name and text draft, right? First you can see it all all letters are in uppercase and all letters are lowercase. So then we are talking about how to get the length of the string, right? Example, when we type a name and name is Cheetah, what is the length of this string? Like we want to get the length, so we just print, and I want to get the length with this variable. So I just run this one. So you can see here value is 7. That's why it is 7, because they have a 7 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So that's way you can get the length of any text. How many letters in that text, right? So, and also we want to get what is the first character of this test, right? We want to get this what is the first character. We just type name, a variable name, and I want to get the first character, right? When we save this one and run it, so you can see here first is H. That's why, because this will count like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will explain it more in our array session, in our array topic. I will explain it more in our list and tuples dictionaries topics. So now I just need to get the first letter, right? Just clear this one, and if we run this one, you have a first letter. Now I want this test, which is the user type this test without the capitalizing the first letter. So I won't capitalize the first letter and I want to rewrite it again. So how I can do that? So in this way, you can get the first value in here and then you can print this way. So I just get the name to I just print, and I want to name 0 as upper, need to be capital, and I want to add this name string variable cap. So I want to add this cap with the name. I don't need the first letter of the name, so I just type 1 this. So not a 10, it's a 10, right? Okay, and right. Okay. Now it will convert this test as a cheetah, first letter capital, right? Well, let's see it. Okay, let's see it is work or not. Let's run this one. So you can see here it is now working. Cheetah, the first letter is capital. So this way you can use your project when user type username without forgetting first letter is capital. So, and also I'm going to tell you about repetition. Repetition, like when you want to repeat same test. Like my name is Cheetah, so this give the value Cheetah, and I want to print this value 3 times. So I just type name and using this operator, and I just type how many we want to type. I just type 10 times. I want to print this value as a 10 times. So I just run, so I clear this. So if I run this one, so you can see cheetah. So I have a 10 values, right? Easily you can run this one and this way. So, and so that's all for string operations. We are taught about more in string operation in upcoming topics. So our next topic is number and arithmetic operators. So see you guys in the next topic. Okay, in this topic we are taught about the numbers and arithmetic operators. First we are defined as an integer value as num1 is equal to 10, and then we are defined as a float value num2 is equal to 10.2. Why it is integer, why it is float? It is integer because it doesn't have any decimal value. It is float, it is a decimal point. It has decimal point, that's why. So our first arithmetic operator is addition. So if we print and take num1 and plus num2. So in this operator is doing just plus this number 1 value with number 2. And if we print this one, the value is I think 20.2. We'll see. So you can see it's a 20.2. It's also a float value. So now we are just adding this arithmetic operator is addition. Our next arithmetic operator is subtraction. So I just num1 and minus num2. So this is subtraction. Right, when we run this one, I think is 0.19. So, and our next operator is multiplication. So number 1 multiplied by number 2. And this is multiplication. And print our next one is num1 divided by num2. This is a division. So this is the basic arithmetic operators we are using in Python. And also we have other three operators also, as one is floor division operator. So I just print and number 1 divide by number 2. So this is a floor division operator. And we also have another division operator which is called modules. We also have another operator which is called modules. So this is a module operator 1 and num2. So this is the module operator. And our next one is a explanation operator. Explanation operator num1 and num2. So this is a explanation operator. Exponential operator. So this is a basic arithmetic operators we are using in Python when we are do coding. So I will run this one so you can see here the answers. So this is the answers of these operators and 10 and 10.2. So that's all for today module. So we cover almost our first topic is right. Our first topic is we cover variables and data type. In there, I will explain about the data types and what is the variable and how we use it. And also our second topic is basic input and output. I will show you in there how we can get the use input and how we can do a use output. And our next topic is string operation. In that topic, we are talking about how to join two strings and how we can do things with string. Our fourth topic and the final one is numbers and arithmetic operations. So in that topic we learn with operations we are using code in Python. So if you guys have any questions and any problem about this lesson, so can you please put down a comment below. That will I can improve myself also. So just like this video and see you guys in the next module, which is control structures, which is we are going to talk about if-else conditions and the for loop and while loop. So see you guys in the next video. So subscribe my channel and see you guys in the next module.